Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And yeah, we got another Warhammer unboxing. And this one is the Grundstock Gunhauler with an H. And yeah, this is a little bit steampunk, this one. So let's have a looky look and see what we've got in here. We've got the box and we've got the instructions. And look at that, peeps. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? And yeah, look, got that detail on there. Okay, so let's have a quick looky-loo as to what we've got. And it's basically like a steampunk airship type contraption. So you've got all the bits and bobs on there that you can come up with. Dudes go in there, orbs, all kinds of stuff going on. There's a couple of fellas in there. And it does look a rather suave steampunk type gadget, to be honest with you. It reminds me of, do you remember Sonic the Hedgehog? And you used to have Dr. Robotnik used to come across at the end, didn't he, with his ship of goodness, right at the very end of the game, when you completed it. And that reminds me of that, Dr. Robotnik and his Ooja me, calling me, watching me flip thing. Yeah, I'm showing my age now. People go, Sonic the Hedgehog. Yeah, Google it. And then at the back of the instructions there, you've got all of the facts and bits and all the paint call outs at the very end of it. And yeah, some beautiful purples in there, some shades, glazes, all sorts of gubbins going on there. Yeah, I'm kind of quite curious as to the direction this one's going to go in. So on this one, again, I shall build them probably on the live streams, and then I shall pick up the paints that I need to achieve the purples and the blues. I've got a lot of the golds and that already, so let's have a little look, see what we've got. You've got the stand in there, the clear stand, and you've got a base there, peeps. But look at this detail on there. It is so crisp. I mean, look at all the little rivets and the hatches and the air vents, and oh mate, absolutely gorgeous looking at this. It's a single sprue of bits, but what detail. You've got drills and all kinds of stuff going on, missiles, bombs. Yeah, really looking at doing this, because I'm going to have a group of bits of a similar vein of this Age of Sigmar stuff. And yeah, I'm kind of looking at just having a few of these objects, because yeah, there's just something different to look at, isn't it, on the display cases. So yeah, I really do like what I'm seeing in there. Really is crisply cast. I mean, the propeller blades and all of that. Yeah, really am loving this. This was a Crimbo Prezi off of the wife. So yeah, my wife's been on Warhammer. Scary, eh? So that, my friends, is the Grundstock Gunhauler. And look at all the brass and golds and all of that lot. So yeah, really am going to have great fun painting this, peeps. Some of these glazes, I managed to knock up a set of glazes. So yeah, well happy. Because a lot of them can't get now, so I found the recipes and yeah, made my own variants. But yeah, I like that a lot. It's different, and yeah. So remember folks, the usual, like and subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so that you get notified of all the content. And remember, if you want to support the channel, you can support me on patreon.com/Festa67's workshop. and you can become a channel member by clicking the join button under any of my videos. So I'm going to wave goodbye and see you all for the next one. Bye.